morning. Thank you and welcome to Omenuko Lifestyle channel. My name is Omenuko Moses. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how to make Zobo drink. It's actually also called the hibiscus drink. So these are the list of the ingredients, and you can kindly follow me as I show you how to do it practically. Thank you very much. Quick guide to making Zobo. Pineapple peel. I have the Zobo leaf already inside the pot. I have my ginger, which I'm going to put inside of here, and flavors. I'm going to boil this with this together, filter, then add the flavors. With flavors, you don't need sugar, and that's done. So I've added the ginger, and I'm now adding water to the Zobo rodo so that I can put it on fire and heat up. Alright, the nigga is on fire now. It's going to heat up, boil, then I'll filter it, then add my flavors, and that's all. The Zobo is ready. Nice. I normally carry out 3 levels of milk. So this is the second one. Alright, so it's time to put the flavors. I have this Foster Clark. I've filtered it already. The Zobo. So this is our Zobo. This is our Zobo. So I have this Foster Clark and I have this. I won't put all because it will be too sweet. So, but I'll put all of this, and I'll put probably half a sachet of this to give me what I want. I did video you.
Wow, it's been long I took Kako. Come and see this mixture.
Oh yeah, now Zobo and the red label. Oh yeah, now no wala.
Let's see how it's gonna go.
Let's see how that's gonna go.
Wow.
Yeah, make I taste too. But that one plenty. Oh, me I know take plenty.
Zobo of
Jesus is Lord.
Is it like
Chicken. You said? Chicken. Asokoro chicken and suya plus red label.
so you have Zobo?
Okay, as suya and red label and okay, asokoro chicken and Zobo and red label. That combination I die. Now chop finish sleep. You're welcome.